Thank you so much, Spark Events, especially Sir Neil. Everyone did a wonderful job from planning until the day we exchange our I do's. Everything is perfect.
Yeah, thank you so much, team, for all the hard work, effort, and from planning until the day of the wedding. Namin is sobrang stress-free, hassle-free. We really appreciate all the effort and hard work nyo. And also, sobrang professional. Sobrang smooth ng wedding namin. Then, we receive a lot of feedbacks from our visitors na
Good feedback.
good feedback. Na-enjoy nila yung wedding. And I hope moving forward na kayo pa rin yung maging coordinator namin sa mga events namin. And thank you so much, team. Have a great day.